Hey there! Ever turned on your Roidmi EVE Plus robot vacuum only to have it freeze up and shout faulty Lidar at you? Frustrating, right? Well, don't hit the panic button just yet. We've got you covered. Let us take you through an epic fix for a vacuum cleaner that just wouldn't cooperate. So, a customer came to us with their Roidmi EVE Plus robot vacuum with the dreaded faulty Lidar error. They turned it on, and boom, it was stuck in one spot, stuck in a never-ending loop of faulty Lidar errors. Classic robot drama, right? They asked us to fix it, and we were on it. Take a look at this. We powered it up, and guess what? The robot wouldn't budge. It just sat there, spouting that faulty Lidar error over and over. After a thorough investigation, we pinpointed the issue, a faulty Lidar. The Lidar is like the robot's eyes, mapping out your house so it knows where to clean. Basically, that's the fancy part that helps the vacuum navigate and avoid obstacles. So, no wonder it couldn't work properly. We reached out to the customer, recommended a Lidar replacement, and got the green light to proceed. We swapped out the faulty part and put everything back together. But we didn't just hand it back without checking. We put it through a full unit test to make sure this Roidmi EVE Plus robot vacuum could navigate like a pro again. And, drumroll, please! The robot was back in action, zooming around and doing its job flawlessly. No more errors, no more getting stuck, just a smooth and spotless performance. After returning robots to customers, they are happy with the performance since it now works great. Got